Today we are in the beautiful town of El Nido, and if there's one thing that you should do here, we have heard, it is island hopping. So that is exactly what we're gonna do today. We are gonna see some clear blue water, some unreal beaches. If you guys like any of that, you'll like today's video. So we're just kind of hanging out on the beach right now, waiting to get on our boat. It kind of looks like they're packing a bunch of stuff into the water, so I'm kind of thinking that's for us, that guy right there, who's bringing all the delicious food and drinks.
We gotta walk and get wet onto this boat. Oh. We're getting a little deeper here.
You look like a Filipino.
Oh yeah!
Welcome to the boat. Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning, Mom.
Good morning. So we are boating with Ape Tours today. We have heard it's an amazing company, and it already seems like we have such a good group of people. So we honestly already can't wait. We're hyped. We're going to the Coast Guard, so we have to put on our life jackets for our uno momento.
Oh, don't give away their secrets, Shelbs.
Today, and also my partner, you can call him Berhen.
So we just got to our first little island, and I mean, this is kind of the definition of paradise. You basically have the white sandy beaches, the clear water like promised before, and we're kind of in between two cliffs with really awesome rock formations, and everyone's like snorkeling, hanging out on the beach, and absolutely nobody's here. So this is a great first stop on our little trip. So I'm just over here walking in the water and, you know, just minding my own business, and then I see a jellyfish. I don't know if it's a stinging one, but wasn't even looking, and then all of a sudden I'm almost running into a jellyfish, so that's scary. I don't know if you guys can see that like blue strip of water right there. That is literally insane. Like the different color variations is mind-blowing. How they can just climb up there, rip the coconuts off. That actually looked like a lot of hard work and a lot of upper body strength. I could not do that. We're heading back on the boat.
Oh yeah.
Next adventure.
Woohoo!
King of the world! Queen of the world!
Yeah, there you go.
We got the fresh coconut juice from the tree.
Buko juice.
Ah.
It's not cold, but it's delicious.
Very good. Waters are freaking beautiful here.
It's absolutely stunning. Everywhere I look in the Philippines, every body of water, just is so stunning. But here has that extra level of blue. Like it's dark blues, teals, and it's just such a beautiful mixture intertwining along the beach line. What else can I say? Paradise. We just got told we can jump off.
Woo!
All right, so we are stranded. Our boat is broken. We just had lunch, which was amazing. We had tunes going, so we couldn't film it and talk to you guys, but it was absolutely amazing. They had multiple seafood options. There was 2 people allergic to seafood, so they have options for everyone and vegetarian options as well. But I'm gonna go sit over here with everyone else in the water and enjoy this beach while we wait for our boat to get fixed.
So a boat came, dropped off the part, and sadly they tried to fix it and it couldn't be fixed. So we now had to call a different boat, a rescue boat, to come pick us up. And I don't know, it's getting kind of late now, so I don't know if we're still gonna be trying to island hop. I don't know if we're going back. We will keep you guys updated, but for now, we're basically just gonna frolic on the beach. I mean, there's worse places that you could be stranded. I don't know, it's still beautiful. They also brought us a huge, like, giant foamy thing to go in the water, and then they also have a canoe kayak thing. So they're trying to keep us as best entertained as they can. Ape Tours has been super great so far. It's not easy when this stuff happens, especially when there's like a bunch of people on a tour, but either way, they've been super great, super accommodating, making sure we have drinks and we're fed and no complaints really.
Unfortunately, this little island hopping tour is coming to a close. The Coast Guard's coming to save us.
Yeah, here we are. We are just very unlucky when it comes to these little journeys, but honestly, everyone on the boat tour was still super nice. It was nice just like hanging and chatting with everyone on our boat. So,
yeah.
I mean, we still had a good time. It's sad that we won't be able to see any of the islands we wanted to see, so.
The funny part is our tour guide keeps talking about how awesome the secret little cove is and it's like, well, how awesome is it? Can we see some pictures? Like, come on.
So that just means we have to come back to El Nido and do another tour.
Highly recommend, if your boat doesn't break down, to come on these little tours. Like, I'm sure they're amazing. Everyone who does actually get to go,
they're so worth it.
It's worth it.
We'll never know for this one, but we'll do another one.
But the sun's going over the cliff. We're waiting for the Coast Guard. We'll tell you guys how it goes after that, but this is pretty much it.
On to the rescue boat.
So we got our water shoes, we got the bag, we got everything. Everyone's collecting their things, and
we're going home. I'm so sad.
And our awesome passengers.
Our awesome friends we made.
All right, so before we life jacket up and head on our way, they're gonna feed us some noodles.
We get some noodles.
Yeehaw!
With some noodles. I'm stuck. Oh, there we go.
Who's first? First, you first. This is a new one.
How much you want, Chase?
A lot.
Okay. Is that good? Is that
Perfect.
good?
Yeah, sure.
Sunset Bihon.
All right, sweetie. Feed me a bite. Mmm.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Better than some restaurants. Fresh, warm, cooked right now. Very good.
I'm perfectly dry. We're getting soaked.
We somehow dodged the rain clouds, but the waves still were splashing everyone on this boat, except us.
We like looked down and we're like, oh, they're soaked. Not lucky.
Yeah, seems like you want to go, if you're ever on like one of these boats and it's a little choppy out, go to the front. All right, here we go.
Oh, life jacket. I'm sorry.
Woohoo! One thing about the Philippines, you'll soon learn when you come here, ferry systems, anything can go a little astray.
Unpredictable.
It's unpredictable. You cannot pre-book your tickets on ferries and stuff, and like just like today is a prime example of a boat might break down.
Yep,
and
happens.
and you just make the best day of it. The weather was great until now, and
Company was good. Ape Tours did everything that they could. They couldn't do.
Yeah.
They were just as stranded as we were. They
Yeah.
couldn't fix the boat. So
yeah, they
it
brought a boat in to bring apart. They tried the best to fix
Didn't
it,
work.
and then we just had to ride back with the Coast Guard.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
Yeah. So guys, that is the end of our day. Sorry if our energy levels weren't super awesome towards the end, or it's not what you hoped for. We did not expect this to be happening, so we kind of were just rolling with the punches a little bit.
Yeah, it was a long day of not really doing much. Like,
Just chilling, not doing much. There's nothing. I mean, you can only do so much drone footage and beach shots without actually like cruising to the islands and seeing different islands.
and we do quickly want to just talk about like the compensation we got. Since we really didn't even actually start the tour,
We didn't go.
we didn't
anywhere.
even touch one thing on the list yet. We were expecting a little bit of a higher compensation, but at least they gave us 1,000 pesos per person. But this tour is almost 5,000 pesos for both of us to go.
Yeah, so for us, it was 5,000, almost 5,000 to kind of like sit on a beach with some food. Like
Yeah.
it just, we're a little disappointed. I'm not
Yeah.
gonna lie. And Ape Tours did, like, they were great. The boat guys were great, but it's just something to keep in mind if you're gonna book, that if something like this happens, we're a little disappointed that that's kind of how it went, but it is what it is, and there's nothing you can do, and you can
Exactly.
you can be upset about it, but
Yeah.
it just isn't worth it. So we hope you guys still enjoyed the little bit of the island hopping that we did.
It's beautiful here, just so you guys know. It's absolutely breathtaking.
It's beautiful, and we still recommend to do the tours because we have heard unreal things.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!